So we're all moving in together.
Looks that way.
So, what happened? Did you get in a fight with your dad?
No, I asked her to move in with me.
But in front of her dad?
Yeah?
And he just gave you guys permission?
Well, he had to. I'm not his little girl anymore, and he had to let me go.
Sweetheart.
Bryson, what made you decide to move in?
Well, Marco and I had been talking about it for a while.
And we can't live at Dorian's, and you don't want to live with my dad, right?
He can be a little intense.
Which we totally get. I mean, my dad.
No, it's nothing close to my dad.
Yeah, kind of.
But I still love him. It's just that I want Cole and Hope and me to be a family.
Yeah, her dad hates the idea.
Well, it's not like you can't be on your own. You're almost 18.
I know, soon I'll be able to vote, but I'm always going to be my daddy's little girl, his only daughter.
Well, it's not like you're moving halfway across the country.
I know, but he wasn't expecting this. It's not easy for a father to say goodbye.
Actually, come to think of it, it could be kind of cool. The 5 of us living together. I mean, not so bad.
Yeah, you think?
Well, takes a village, right?
Yeah, it was pretty sweet living in La Boulée, though I could get help anytime I needed. Now with us living on our own.
It's gonna be great.
Yeah, and Marco and I can help out with Hope whenever you guys are in class.
We can?
Of course.
I promise that Hope won't bother you.
Oh, how could she? She's adorable. Come here. Come here, Langston. Come here, Hopi.
No, don't call her.
Come here, Hopi. Hopi.
Okay, I'm gonna go get Hope's stuff out of the car.
All right. Did you need a hand?
Yeah, you wouldn't believe how much stuff comes with the baby.